25th February 2021 saw the start of the budget session for financial year 2021 and 2022 of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. The budget was presented by the Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Council, GIGUR MYRTHONG, who informed about various projects that would be undertaken in all areas falling under the KHASI. It may be mentioned that while the projected expenditure of the Council is Rs 239 crores 14 lakhs 49,070, the revenue was expected to amount to Rs 239 crores 13 lakhs 53,940, thereby causing a deficit of 95,130 rupees.
Second amendment. Regulation Bill 2021, KHASI Autonomous District Administration of LALHS, Second Amendment Bill 2021. Untuk Ru'yah KHASI Autonomous District Nomination and Election of Scheme, Deputy Scheme, Electors of Non-Constituency, Third Amendment Bill 2021. Lem daklet ya ka hok long try jongi ya ka Indo kasir Executive Committee ka wanra ya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Regulation and Administration of Land Bill 2005 aka session ke update but ya ka bill 85 daulat jaga District Council Affairs Department akaba bila pun dari expert committee ban kami pet ne halor jongka bat ka report dan merah akan season pemerintah.